Hello everyone. As in the previous session, we have discussed about the redemption of debentures in terms of issue of debentures, and in that we have learned all the 6 cases of redemption of debentures. So in this session, we will be solving some practical questions based on redemption of debentures in terms of issue of debentures. So the first question is, L&B Limited issued 635 9% debentures of ₹500 each. Pass necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the following situations. So the first situation is when debentures were issued at 5% discount, redeemable at 10% premium, and when debentures were issued at 12% premium, redeemable at 6% premium. So these questions are basically based on all the 6 types of cases we have learned in redemption of debentures. So now according to the first situation, where debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at premium. So first entry will be based on application money received. So as we know, 635 debentures has been issued and issued price is 500. Now we will calculate the amount of discount. Discount percentage is 5% and issued price is 500. So 5% of 500 will be 25. Now the issued price after the discount will be 500 minus 25, which is 475. So the entry for application money received will be bank account debit to 9% debentures application and allotment account. And the amount will be 3,01,625. Amount is calculated as 365 debentures has been issued and the issued price after discount was 475. So 635 into 475 is 3,01,625. Now the next entry will be based on transferring the application money to debentures account, issued at 5% discount and redeemable at 10% premium. Which means the company has issued the debentures at discount and at the time of repayment it has repaid the debentures amount at 10% premium. So both the amount of discount allowed and the premium on redemption amount are capital losses. Therefore, they will be debited as loss on issue of debentures account. So now the entry will be 9% debentures application and allotment account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit to 9% debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures. So 9% debentures application and allotment account will be debited with the amount received on application money. So and the amount is 3,01,625. Loss on issue of debentures account will be debited with the amount 47,625, and this amount includes both the amount of discount allowed and premium on redemption. Here is the calculation of the amount of loss on issue of debentures. So 5% discount on issue will be 635, which is issued debentures, into 25, which is discount price. So 635 into 25 is 15,875. Then 10% premium on redemption amount will be 635 is the amount of debentures issued and premium was 10% on issued price. Issued price was 500. So 10% of 500 is 50. So now the amount of premium on redemption will be 635 into 50 is equal to 31,750 and the sum of both the losses will be 47,625. 9% debentures account is credited with the amount 3,17,500 and this amount includes the amount of application money received plus discount on issue of debentures. So 3,01,625 plus 15,875 is 3,17,500. And premium on redemption of debenture account is credited with the amount 31,750 as this was the amount of premium on redemption. Moving on to the next question, which is Bina Limited issued 5,000 9% debentures of ₹500 each pass the necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the books of the company in the following cases. So the first case is when debentures are issued at 10% premium and redeemable at par. Second case is when debentures are issued at par and redeemable at 10% premium. Third question is when debentures are issued at 5% premium and redeemable at 10% premium. And the last case is when debentures are issued at a premium of 25% to the vendors for machinery purchased for 6,25,000. So this question is based on 4 conditions of redemption of debentures in terms of issue of debentures. So according to the first case where the debentures are issued at premium and redeemable at par. So as we know, when the debentures are redeemed at par, we do not pass any entry related to the redemption of debentures. Here only the entry for issue of debentures is passed. So the issued amount is, issued debenture is 5,000 and the issued price is 500. Debentures has been issued at 10% premium. So 10% of 500 will be rupees 50. That means the premium amount is rupees 50. Now the first entry will be based on application money received. And here we will pass the combined entry for application and allotment amount. Now entry will be bank account debit to debentures application and allotment account. And the amount will be 27,50,000. 5,000 is the amount of debentures issued and the issued price will be 500 plus 50, that is 550. So 5,000 into 550 will be 27,50,000. Next entry will be based on transferring the application and allotment amount to the debentures account. So the entry is debentures application and allotment account debit to 9% debentures account to securities premium reserve account. So debentures application and allotment account is debited with the amount of application money received, which was 27,50,000. 9% debentures account will be credited with the amount 25 lakh as number of debentures issued is 5,000 and the issued amount is 500. So 5,000 into 500 is 25 lakhs. To securities premium reserve account. Premium amount was rupees 50. Issued debenture is 5,000. So 5,000 into 50 is 2,50,000. Now the second case is when debentures are issued at par and redeemable at 10% premium. So in this condition, we will first enter the entry of application money received. So the entry will be bank account debit to debentures application and allotment account. And the amount is 25 lakh. As the debentures are issued at par, which means issued debentures were 5,000 and the issued price is 500. So 5,000 into 500 will be 25 lakh. Second entry will be based on transferring the debentures application amount to the debentures account. And here will be the entry debentures application and allotment account debit. Loss on issue of debentures account debit. Loss on issue of debenture is debited because debentures have been redeemable at 10% premium. So when the debentures are redeemed at premium, it means it is a loss for the company and this is the future loss. So the company records the future losses at the time of issue of debentures. So that is why loss on issue of debentures account is debited. To 9% debentures account, to premium on redemption of debentures account. So debentures application and allotment account is debited with the amount 25 lakh as this is the amount of application money received. Loss on issue of debentures account is debited with the amount 2,50,000 as the debentures were redeemed at 10% premium. Issued price was 500. So 10% of 500 is 50, which means debentures were redeemed at the premium of rupees 50. So 50 into 5,000 is 2,50,000. 9% debentures account will be credited with the amount 25 lakh and the premium on redemption of debentures account will be credited with the balance amount 2,50,000. Now third case is when debentures are issued at 5% premium and redeemable at 10% premium. So the first entry will be based on application money received. Entry will be bank account debit to debentures application and allotment account, and the amount will be 26,25,000. So as we know, number of debentures issued is 5,000 and it has been issued at 5% premium. Issued price is 500. So 5% of 500 is 25. That means the premium amount is 25. So the total issued amount including premium will be 500 plus 25, that is 525. So issued debentures into issued price including premium will be 5,000 into 525, which is 26,25,000. Next entry will be on transferring the application and allotment account to debentures account, and the entry will be debentures application and allotment account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit, as the debentures are redeemed at premium, which means it is a loss for the company because when the debentures are repaid, it is repaid at premium. So this is a future loss which the company records at the time of issue of debentures. So that is why loss on issue of debentures account is debited. To 9% debentures account, to securities premium reserve account, because the debentures were issued at 5% premium. So 5% premium amount will be transferred to securities premium reserve account. To premium on redemption of debentures account. So debentures application and allotment account will be debited with the amount application money received, which was 26,25,000. Loss on issue of debentures account is debited with the amount 2,50,000 as debentures were redeemed at 10% premium. So 10% of 500 is rupees 50. So 5,000 is the debentures issued and the amount of premium is 50. So 5,000 into 50 is 2,50,000. 9% debentures account will be credited with the amount 25 lakh, that is 5,000 into 500, which is 25 lakh. Securities premium reserve account will be credited with the amount 1,25,000 as the premium was 5%. So 5% of 500 will be 25. So 25 into number of debentures issued, which is 5,000. 25 into 5,000 will be 1,25,000. And premium on redemption of debentures account is credited with the amount 2,50,000 as the balance amount. Now the last situation is when debentures are issued at a premium of 25% to the vendors for machinery purchased for 6,25,000. So the first entry will be based on machinery purchased from vendors, and the entry is machinery account debit to vendors account, and the amount is 6,25,000. Next entry will be issue of debentures to the vendors at premium. So the entry is vendors account debit to 9% debentures account to securities premium reserve account. Vendors account will be debited with the amount 6,25,000. 9% debentures account will be credited with the amount 5 lakh and securities premium reserve account is credited with the amount 1,25,000. So the amount which has been credited to 9% debentures account is calculated as follows. To calculate the number of issued debentures, formula is purchase consideration divided by share issue price plus premium amount. So here purchase consideration was 6,25,000. It is divided by 625. 625 is 500 is the share issue price and 125 is the premium amount. So 500 plus 125 is 625. So by dividing 6,25,000 by 625, we get 1,000. This 1,000 is the number of debentures issued. So number of debentures issued is 1,000 and share issue price is 500. So 1,000 into 500 is 5 lakh, which is transferred to 9% debentures account. and securities premium reserve account, which is credited with 1,25,000, which is 1,000 is the issued price and 125 was the price of premium. So 1,000 into 125 is 1,25,000. Now here is the practice question based on the topic discussed above. First question is, KTR Limited issued 365 9% debentures of rupees 1,000 each. Pass necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the following situation. First situation is when debentures were issued at par, redeemable at premium of 10%. When debentures were issued at 6% discount, redeemable at 5% premium. Next question is, pass necessary journal entries for the issue of 7% debentures in the following cases. So the first case is 100 debentures of rupees 100 each issued at 105 each, repayable at rupees 100 each. Second case is 100 debentures of rupees 100 each issued at rupees 100 each, repayable at 105 each. And the third case is 100 debentures of rupees 100 each issued at 105 each, repayable at rupees 108 each. So we have solved the practical questions based on the redemption of debentures in terms of issue of debentures in this session. In the next session, we'll continue with some other topic. That's all for today. Thank you.